This is Anthony Gachau on the scale. Anthony Gachau weighs in at 102.7 kgs. 102.7 kgs. Anthony Gachau from Kenya. Thank you, Anthony. Press off, Anthony. Next is Phil. Arizona, USA. A Kenyan citizen by birth. Fidel Castro. Phil weighs in at 106.4 kgs. 106.4 kgs. Thank you very much, Phil. We are now for a serious face-off. Please give his feet, his shoes. Security. What Anthony is already with his Fidel Castro Phil, all the way from Arizona, USA. That is serious face-off. Tunangoja vita kesho. You know the night of serious face-off. Please face the cameras. Phil and Anthony, please face the cameras. Face the cameras for a photo, please. Bina kaa katikati. This is serious business. Please sponsor. Akuwe hapo katikati pia. Sponsor. Msigonge sponsor tafadhali. Hii inaitwa serious face-off between two heavyweights. Anthony Gachau weighing at 102.7 kgs and Phil 106.4 kgs. They are playing in the heavyweight category. Thank you. Please face the cameras. Gentlemen, please face the cameras. This is serious business.
Zaki. Na msitujaribie ujinga ya kushuku kugongana njiwanga sijui hakuna till the end. Moja anatoka kwa ring, moja anabaki kwa ring.
Sijajua mshindi.
Sawa? Sawa? Leo uligongana dem.
Usikula kabe jambo.
Usikia?
Watu wenye walikuwa wamelambiwa. Ndio president sasa. Hata lambiwa tena. Mko sawa. Ndio. Acha niwaambie. Kama unajua nyamawa. Bebeni zile vitu za kupiga papa. Unataka kusema cook that thing. Mimi analala. Haya, iko sawa, watoke sasa.